In today's fast-paced world, creating a serene environment at home can become your sanctuary. Let's delve into the art of using plants to elevate your surroundings and invigorate your life. Whether you're living in a sprawling home or a cozy apartment, plants offer a unique way to add life and color to any space. Imagine stepping into a room filled with natural beauty, where each plant is not just an element of decor, but a living, breathing part of your home. The journey begins with choosing the right plants that align with your environment and lifestyle. Start by assessing the light conditions and space available in your home. Succulents, for instance, are excellent for sun-drenched nooks, offering visual intrigue with their varied shapes. If you have limited sunlight, consider low-light plants such as pothos or snake plants, which thrive with less light and are hard to kill, making them ideal even for beginners. Once you've chosen your plants, consider the containers. Pots and planters are not just functional, but also add personality to plant displays. Opt for materials and colors that complement your interior design. Terracotta pots exude earthy warmth, while sleek metallic planters add a modern flair. Hanging planters and wall-mounted pots can transform a blank wall into a vertical garden, saving space and adding depth to your decor. Next, think about placement and arrangement. Layering plants of varying heights and textures can create a sense of depth. Place taller plants like fiddle-leaf figs or rubber trees in corners to fill empty spaces. On shelves or tables, mix medium and small plants to create a vibrant tableau. A windowsill can be adorned with a row of herbs, adding green vitality and practical use right at your fingertips. Moreover, consider how plants can enhance the flow and feel of different rooms. In the living room, a large statement plant can serve as a focal point, drawing the eye and anchoring the space. In bedrooms, plants like lavender or jasmine may promote relaxation and better sleep with their soothing scents. In the kitchen, small pots of herbs not only provide fresh ingredients, but also enliven the space with their fragrance. Beyond aesthetics, plants offer numerous benefits. They purify the air, reduce stress, and even boost creativity and productivity. The act of caring for plants can also foster mindfulness and a deeper connection with nature, serving as a therapeutic escape from the digital world. As we wrap up this journey into the world of plant decor, remember that the key is to start small and grow from there. Allow your space to evolve organically as you learn what works best for you and your plants. By integrating plants into your home, you're not just decorating, you're crafting an environment that nurtures and inspires. So embrace the transformative power of plants and watch as they turn your house into a home filled with life, beauty, and tranquility. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights and inspiration on creating your perfect haven.